Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to OPPO A94 5G. First of all, you need to access Play Store on both devices and install free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When it's ready, select Open. Following that, you need to tap on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on the other device. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now you need to select Send on an Android and Receive on OPPO. Following that, tap on all of those type of dots and select Send. This way you can choose all of your files and transfer them later on. So now when I click on Send, I need to choose No Thanks and close this window on my OPPO. Following that, choose Got it, and now we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by selecting this scanning icon on OPPO and choosing while using the app or only this time, then pointing our device's camera at the code. But we can also just input this key over here and tap on Receive. Now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!